Today, the immense one is heading to a pizza joint in a bowling alley. This was recommended by longtime viewer KPD Flush. I hope we don't lose another viewer because the giant Timbit talks trash about someone's favorite restaurant. Before Body by Poutine gets started, let's hear the new Dave Eats theme song by artist Josie Bridge.
No, 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 yeah. Yo, it's good some beat, man. Oh, yo, what's up there? Look, cheesecake, steak, PB&J's. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. Taste testing with the best in the game. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. You can see him in the drive-thru, picking up the takeout he can dine into, yeah. Get the cooking, he gon' find you and slide through. Review, it's Dave Eats Too.
Hi, how are you? Good. Can I just place an order for pizza to go? I don't know, medium pepperoni?
Pepperoni, anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright, can I get a name for the order?
Big Dave.
Ready when you are?
Okay.
Ready in less than 10 minutes.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Okay, big guy, let's take a quick look around the pizzeria. The pizza will need some more time. Let's get the big one some exercise and do a walk through of Fleetway.
Awesome. I need the receipt too. If I get the receipt for that too, that would be great. Awesome.
And then do you need plates?
Yeah, a couple of napkins would be great.
No, 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 yeah. Yo, it's good some beat, man. Oh, yo, what's up there? Look, cheesecake, steak, PB&J's. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. Taste testing with the best in the game. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. You can see him in the drive-thru, picking up the takeout he can dine into, yeah. Get the cooking, he gon' find you and slide through. Review, it's Dave Eats Too.
Welcome back by the Slice, Big Dave. We came in the car. Unusual, I know. Normally we do it outside. I got these goofy glasses on. I'm going to take them off right now. They're not mine. I was just borrowing them. Really. Anyways, KDP, we're at Pizza Projekt. You wanted us to go here. We spent a long time to finally get here. We're here today. Let's check it out. Where is this place? Well, we probably did a walkthrough because I have a new camera and I had to wait 10 minutes for the pizza. So, we got the pepperoni. We got medium. It looks pretty big for medium. To me. Shall we get a couple of pictures of this and send it? It smells a little burnt. Maybe it was something in the oven. It is a... Come here, about 11. Unfortunately. Sorry, Ken. Is it Ken? KDP. I'm going to go with Ken. It's not looking awesome so far. I think we got traditional crust. Maybe we should have got the thin crust. Regular sauce. Pepperoni. It looks pretty typical. Price of this pizza was $19.95 with tax. 20 bucks. Not the cheapest. You know, you're paying for the experience here. The pool tables, the bowling alley, the arcade, the glow-in-the-dark mini golf, the climbing experience. Bite time. Well, could use more sauce. Crust isn't bad, it cooked all the way through. Okay, definitely need more sauce. Does this thing have any sauce on it? We'll take a second bite to see if we can get some pepperoni. The sauce is flavorful. It's just way too light on sashimi. It's practically non-existent. The crust is actually nice. It's kind of a risen crust. It's got a good color to it. It's fine. The cheese is pretty typical. I'm going to say it's Saputo. The pepperoni, well, typical as well. I'm going to give this thing a 6.1. I'm going to say it's average is best. I'd say this thing would probably easily get up to close to a 7 just by actually putting some sauce on the pizza. These are my thoughts, not yours. Tell me what you think. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. Big Dave, by the slice. Hey, thanks for watching.